Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Here we have this fantastic Ford Galaxy 2 litre EcoBlue Titanium Auto. Now this vehicle has currently done 45,120 miles and it's finished in the colour chrome blue. It does come with 2 previous services and it's a fantastic family vehicle. It sits nicely on 17-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. This Galaxy comes with keyless entry and go, making access into the vehicle super easy. You don't have to touch the key fob. To the rear you'll find a powered tailgate which can be opened using the key fob, providing you easy access to the spacious boot. Here in the boot you'll find 700 litres of space which can be increased to 2,339 litres with the middle row of seats down. This is a 7-seater. You can electronically put the third row of seats up and down, as you can see there, it going up on its own. When you have these seats in position, you still have 300 litres of space available to you. You can fit plenty in even if you've got a full vehicle. Taking a look inside to the rear here, you have the gorgeous black leather interior with the contrasting white stitching. All 3 seats here have ISOFIX points so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. On the rears of the front seats you also have pull-out trays which are perfect for children. Up front you'll find your leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel moving around to your front seats. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position. You've got full electric adjustment with memory presets. On the steering wheel here you've got controls for the trip display along with your adaptive cruise control there. To the right you've got some additional infotainment controls and also some additional trip display controls as well. On the display here in the instrument cluster you can see your trip computer there. You can access fuel economy and even your driver assist features. You've got your blind spot monitoring, cross traffic alert, driver alert, lane keeping system, pre-collision assist as well. All features that keep you super safe while on the go. You can adjust the settings for all the safety features there. You can also adjust the middle display here. You've got access to a digital speedometer, your telephone, a navigation display, and you can also see what audio you're listening to. Centered in the dashboard you do have your touchscreen infotainment system. On this system you do have access to DAB, FM and AM radio. There is also USB, Bluetooth and a CD player for your own music. You do have your Bluetooth telephone menu here where you can safely make hands-free phone calls. On the system you do have navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to new places with ease. You can easily connect your smartphone up. The vehicle does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. In your settings here you do have some system and vehicle settings available to you. You even have ambient lighting throughout the interior with a selection of colours to choose from here. When you select your colour you can also adjust the brightness. Moving on now, you also have your dual zone climate control here on the display. Below you will find some physical controls for the infotainment system as well as your climate control. The vehicle does feature heated front seats to keep you warm and comfortable on those cold days. Parking is made easy thanks to the reverse camera and front and rear parking sensors. Underneath you will find your 2 USB points, a 12-volt socket and some storage. You've got your automatic gear selector there. Next to it you'll find your button for the park assist. Now you can select parallel or perpendicular parking and the vehicle will guide you through as it parks itself into a suitable space. You also have the park out feature as well. Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.